What's up guys, this is Nathan from Next Gen Tutorials, and today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to organize your start screen. A lot of you guys might think Windows 8's start screen or 8.1 start screen is really bad. I don't like the complete change they've made with the Windows 8 compared to the XP, Vista and all the other previous versions of Windows. But I'll show you in a minute how awesome it actually is if you know how to work with it properly. Because there are a couple of things that you need to know before completely being able to appreciate Windows 8's new start screen. I love it, to be honest. So let's get right to it. As you can see, my Windows 8.1 screen is nicely organized. I have my folders, so I'll call these folders or categories, and I have my main category, my work, my YouTube, my Adobe, my games, and my media. This is something really easy to do. I'll show you how to make a new category first, and then how to name it. So to make a new category, let's pick an icon, an application like Photoshop, and drag it until we see a white bar. There you see the white bar appearing. If I let go of Photoshop, there you have it. I create a new category. Now, if you don't name your categories, it's gonna make it a little harder if you have a lot of categories to find what you're looking for. But if you name them, it'll be really easy. Let's name this one example. So I'll tell you how I did everything actually. So to move the icon, you simply click and drag. That's really easy. To name the group or to edit a group or category, you just right click on any icon, any tile in the group, and it'll give you a whole set of options. For example, name the group. Let's name this group example. There you have it, and I click out of the box, and there you have it. It's called example, and if I want to add let's say a few new icons to it, tiles, I just right click the ones I want to have in example, and I can drag them wherever I want. I can drag them in this example group, I can drag them in a new group, I can drag them to work or to main. It doesn't matter. If I let them go in the example category, there you have it, 2 new tiles added to that example category. That's how easy it is. Now, what I've done is, because sometimes you think like, yeah, but I don't really know how to categorize all my icons. I'll give you what I did. It's really simple. I have my main, which will bring me back to my desktop, which will give me my calendar, my computer, and this is my media server. So I watch Plex on my media server and I can access it via here. I have my Flipboard tile, and all the rest is actually things I don't want to have in my main. So I have my work, which I use when I go to work or to school in this case. I have my YouTube, so I find all my YouTube software, my Adobe if I want to create something, my games if I want to go gaming, and my media if I want to watch movies, listen to music, download something, and whatever. I have also my fitness category. This is a link to a website. This as well. This is a health and fitness app, and that's it. Etc. is stuff I rarely use, but still want to have available to me whenever possible. So to reorganize your main category, for example, you can right click, and if you want to change the size of the desktop, it's really easy. You just resize it by going to, let's go back a few steps and right click the desktop tile. Then you have all the options. Let's say we want to resize a few tiles. The only thing I have to do is right click the tiles I want to resize, go down here, click on resize, and choose what I want to make from the tiles. Do I want to make them all large? There you go. all the tiles that can be larger will be larger. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Let's right click them again and resize them to medium, and now they're all medium sized tiles. So if I want to delete a tile, for example, like let's say calendar, I don't need calendar in my main, I right click the tile and I unpin it from start. So it's something you should know with the new start of Windows 8 is that all the icons, all the tiles you see on your start menu are pinned programs, apps, whatever. So if you unpin them, they just go back to your complete set of apps and programs, which I'll show you below. So we unpin the calendar app, and now it's gone from start, but I can always find it back if I click this arrow here, and it'll show you all the applications and software you have on your computer. Now these are a lot, but there's a really easy search function. I don't even have to press this. If I just type calendar, there you go. That's the calendar app that we just unpinned from our start. Now if I want to repin it, I just right click it and I press pin to start. That's how easy it is. So let's go back and choose something else. Adobe Reader Touch, pin to start, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Now I can slide them back to my main category, and there you go. That's how easy it is to organize your start. Now one last thing I want to show you guys is if, for example, you have really a lot of categories and you're using your laptop for work and for gaming at home or whatever you do with it. What I like to do is I like to zoom out. I did this by pressing Control and scrolling out. There's another way to do this as well. If you have a touchscreen computer, you'll have you can pinch to zoom, or if you have this minus button right here in the right corner, you just press the minus icon and you can see all the categories that you've made. And now if I go to school, for example, and I need to use work a lot, I'll just click and drag and put it in front. My games, I don't want them visible. I just drag them to the back, and my media as well, my Adobe as well, my fitness as well, and now I only have my work, main, YouTube, and etc. that will be shown whenever I press start. Oh, the games as well, but that doesn't really matter for now. That's details. But you can see it's really easy to move the groups as well. So if you have a lot of groups and one day you need work, main, and YouTube in front, or you're going to use those a lot, you just scroll out, zoom out, and rearrange them. That's how easy it is. So that's why I think the new Windows 8 Start is so awesome. I hope I convinced some of you of how awesome the new Start screen is. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I hope you learned something. It would help me out a lot. So, see you guys later. Bye bye.